Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you another interesting tool from Google. It's known as Google sTAX, which is an experimental tool using which you can evaluate various AI models for different prompts. So for this, you need to come here and put in your prompt here. You have to put in your API key for different models. So there are various models that is available here, which you can test for various data sets. Now you can upload your CSV and test for various use cases. So this is the evaluator gallery where you can see what people are tested. So if you want, you can just copy it and use it for testing the same. Now I'll show you one sample project here. Now the best part is that it will test and it will score each one. So now you see this, how good this is in terms of verbosity, text quality, output tokens, total tokens, latency and everything. So it evaluates everything. So let's say we have this particular scenario. You are a wanderlust AI, an inspirational travel companion that helps users find hidden gems. The user will describe what kind of travel they are looking for, and your job is to suggest unique local experience for them to do over amount of time. Okay, so this is the variable that has been passed. So this is the output it is given, and it has used Gemini 2.5 Flash. Now the same thing, now if you want to see through different models what are the different outputs, so you can compare it side by side, then you can find the results, and each of them it will be rated on what is the token that is used, what is the speed at which it got generated, what is the quality of it. All those things you can analyze in this, and it will give you the output. So just like if you see here, right, if you see this in terms of output, this is the model name. So human evaluation, verbosity, text quality, output tokens that is required, all those things it mentions, and it gives you the final output. You see this latency, that is the time that I was talking about. So you can do all those things with this tool. So if you are choosing a model, there are hundreds or thousands of models that has come up recently. Now if you want to evaluate a model in your project, then this is the best way to do it. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much, and subscribe for more such exciting videos to Mr. No. Thank you very much.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the